Morning, guys. It is 6:30 in the morning. 5 degrees outside and pretty cold. Good morning, guys. I'm here in the camp kitchen. It's 7 in the morning. I'm making myself a little breakfast. Some porridge, and a protein bar, and coffee. I'm just waiting for the sun to come out, and I'm gonna pack up my tent then and leave to Belgium and eventually to France today. That's the plan. Alright, let's have breakfast. I don't want to wait the whole morning to pack. So there's a slight rain. Maybe you can see that in the camera. Anyways, I will pack now. Finally on the bike. Have a good last look at the river. This grass, all mud. I was literally setting up camp in the mud. And it is raining again. Just some light rain, but it still gets you wet at some point, you know. I hope that goes away soon. It is now 8:15 and we will be soon crossing the Belgium border. We will go all through Belgium today and stay the night in France. Our first night in France. That's the plan. I checked campsites. It's really hard to find campsites that are open because it's winter. And most of them in France, in the north of France, they're closed for the winter, so I don't know. Maybe we have to stay in a hotel again today. I'll let you guys know. Alright. See you at the border to Belgium. Change of plans, guys. When I emptied my right pannier yesterday, I noticed that my chain lubricant emptied itself in the bag, lubricant all over the place. And this morning I realized, shit, I also have brake pads in there that I wanted to put on the Honda soon. I just checked and they're all soaked in lubricant, so they're useless. I cannot use them anymore. So I took a detour now to Aachen and we're going to the Louis motorcycle shop and just hope that they have some available. Otherwise I would have to check in France, and I don't know the shops there. I know Louis usually has them. It sucks a bit. It was 40 minutes out of our way and it was raining already. Stuff like that really sucks, but I need brakes, so we have to do it. Belgium. Guys, 80,000 kilometers with the Honda. Whoa, very good. Guys, the rain stopped for a minute here and we're having a short rest. We're in the middle of Belgium and boy, Belgium is a beautiful country, really. I didn't know that, like all these villages and they all have huge castles like this one in the background. Really so many castles and everything is really charming and very, very beautiful. I only knew they make good waffles, but what a beautiful country. It's a shame it's raining so much. We're going to push through the rain today and ride some like 300 kilometers more. I'm going to stay the night in a hotel. I found a really cheap one. They are called F1 hotels and it's just 30 euro a night. Let's do this, guys. Back on the road. I see sun. Can you believe it? After days, man, that is amazing. Hello, France! Yoo-hoo! Yes. The sun. Guys, let's appreciate the sun for a moment. Oh God. Thank you, France. Thank you. There's Belgium and Germany with rain, and here we have France. Awesome. Woo, so cool. Also bought some new chain lube since the old one was all over the panniers. Chain's pretty dry now after all that rain, so put something on. Okay, we now have like 200 kilometers more to go to the hotel. It's gonna be dark, but yeah, we're pushing through today. We will have made 400 kilometers then today, which is really good. We should be halfway to Porto. All right, guys. See you at the hotel. Oh, guys. Finally. Oh, yeah. Hotel F1. That is gonna be ours. Let's hope they have a room, but they should have, for sure. Guys, this is my room. Nothing fancy, but that's the trick. I'm already hanging out my tent to dry, and yeah, gonna have a shower, work on the videos. We did 450 something kilometers today. Still a lot to go to Porto, but we'll get there. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.